How to update bank details? Yeah, how to change bank details. So you have to open Google. In Google, FLB logging, forever living products. Here you can see you will not get any option. Click on three dots, my account, bonus information, third one. In bonus information, here you have to fill your bank details, all bank name, branch name, bank account number verification, and then next IFSC code. Then here you have to one click of your checkbook, your passbook, front photo. After uploading, you have to save here.